Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of medical acupuncture. If you've ever been curious about how this ancient practice can benefit your health, then stick around. So, what is medical acupuncture? In simple terms, it's a modern adaptation of traditional Chinese acupuncture. It involves inserting very thin needles into specific points on the body to stimulate nerves, muscles, and connective tissue. This stimulation helps to boost your body's natural painkillers and improve blood flow. Now let's talk about the benefits. First up, pain relief. Many people turn to acupuncture to alleviate chronic pain, especially in the back, neck, and joints. It's also known for helping with headaches and migraines. But that's not all. Acupuncture can also aid in reducing stress and anxiety. It promotes relaxation and can even improve your sleep quality. All right, moving on to techniques. There are several methods used in medical acupuncture. Traditional needle insertion is the most common. Practitioners might also use electroacupuncture, where a small electric current is passed between pairs of needles. Another popular method is moxibustion, which involves burning a herb near the skin to warm the acupuncture points. You might be wondering, does acupuncture hurt? Generally, the answer is no. The needles are extremely thin, much thinner than the needles used for injections. You might feel a slight pinch or tingle, but most people find the experience to be quite relaxing. Alright, so how can you get started? First, always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure acupuncture is right for you. Next, find a licensed and certified acupuncturist. You want someone who knows their stuff and can provide a safe and effective treatment. To sum it up, medical acupuncture is a versatile and effective treatment for a variety of health issues. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain, stress, or just looking to improve your overall well-being, acupuncture might be worth exploring. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy, everyone.